Hello guys, welcome to today's video on our channel Digital Wealth Academy, where we show you different ways of creating income from the internet. Here we show you different methods that we use to create both passive and residual income. And on today's video, we are going to look at the new dashboard of MetaForce ecosystem. MetaForce has been here since last year, creating different earnings opportunity to different members. And now they're about to create a new system. They're about to launch a new program, and even their ForceCoin, their coin, they're about to launch it. So in order to match with the new program they're about to create, the UniteVerse, the ForceCoin, so they are creating a new dashboard to be able to match with the new program they are launching. So what we're going to do now is to take you through the new dashboard so that you understand what you're expecting in the incoming program that will be launched by this MetaForce. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump in. Okay, this is my Trust wallet. So I'm going to paste my referral link in order to access my second account. In this tutorial, we're going to use my second account. Okay, if you paste your referral link, it's going to take you down to where you have to log in. So the first thing we are going to look at is to change the network. Yeah, we're going to change the network from the Ethereum to Polygon, because MetaForce is building this program on Polygon network. So we've changed it now to Polygon network. So let's click on login. Okay, it's asking us to select the login channels that we want to use. We have MetaMask, we have Trust Wallet, we have Wallet Connect. But because we are accessing these through my Trust Wallet, so we are going to tap on the second one, Trust Wallet. Okay, let's go. So it's going to take us right into my account. Yes, this is the account. This is my second account that I'm using on this platform. As you can see, this was not the dashboard that we were using before. This has really changed, and the interface is so amazing, so attractive, so different from the former one that we've been using. So now let's look at different options that we have here. So as you can see, you have opportunity to change the image, the profile picture, to whatever picture that you like. Then we have portfolio here. Then we have the Matic. As you can see now, the coin used here has been separated. Now we have Matic, and we also have DICE separated from each other. We have the new coin that is about to be launched now, called ForceCoin. Is already showing up on the dashboard. Then we also have the SFC, the former internal stable coin that was launched on this platform. Yes, it's showing up here. You can use it to buy products that will be launched on this platform, and also to pump your NFT. Let's continue. Yes, we have the next one here, the Force system. If you click on it, it will show you different information about the system. So let's go down. This is where you can attach your new wallet if something happened to your old wallet, like my wallet that was hacked. So I've been able to create a new wallet and attach to my back office. Okay, now so we have the history, earning history. These are some of the earnings that I've been earning on this platform. There are so many. I don't want to click on more. Because that's not why we are here. So let's look at some different option here. Let's click on this Force system and see what is there. Okay. All right. If you click on the Force system, it will take you to different programs on this platform. As you notice here, This first one, it was initially a classic program before, but now you can see the name has been changed. Okay, if you click on show, you'll be able to see your metrics. As you can see here, the number of active metrics that have activated on this second account. Okay, now the second stage is the NFT showing up here. You'll be able to see the number or the level of your NFT here when you click show all or show more or show button. Okay, the next one, we are looking at the UniteVerse. This is a new program that is about to be launched. The new program that is going to make massive earnings to different members depending on which one you want to run with. Because in this program, you have opportunity to choose which program you want to grow with, the program you want to promote, the program you want to share. Also, what we have here is the UniteVerse. So we also have another one. The goods that will be launched on this program is here. We also have the MetaForce. MetaForce will be showing up here. So as you can see, the platform is new and is coming up smoothly. So we can access different programs, though they're not done yet. We're not done yet. So let's look at some of the menus here and see what we have there on this new dashboard. Okay. We are already on the Force system. Now let's look at the UniteVerse. Okay. If you look at the UniteVerse, you can see the countdown timer reading, counting down to the launch date of this new program. Now let's look at the other one, which is the ForceCoin. Okay, this is the countdown timer. Okay, as you can see, these two programs will be launched the same day. That's why you have the same countdown timer for each of them. So let's go back to the menu. Okay, my team. Yeah, we used to have this menu on the old dashboard. It's still here for you to be able to trace your referrals. So now let's go to Academy. Academy will show you different articles, different posts. This is like the blog of MetaForce, where you can read more information about the news, the updates from admin of this program. Now let's look at the setting. This is where you can modify your profiles, and you can change your profile picture, then do certain modification from the back office. Okay, help. This is where you can contact the admin. Yes, you can contact the admin from here, and you can also read different articles from here. Yes, that's what we have here. So let's go back. Okay, let's get back to where we came from to this. So basically that's what we have on the new MetaForce dashboard. So as they continue to update and as they continue to launch different programs, we'll be showing you different videos from this platform, as well as earnings that we are making on a daily basis from this program. Thank you so much for watching this. Wait for more videos and we'll be unfolding them as we progress. Thank you.